Ever wondered if there's a way to increase the yield of your vegetable garden without expanding its size? Well, the answer lies not in the size of the garden, but in its layout. Welcome to a journey of discovery that will transform the way you approach your vegetable garden. Step 1. Decide on the garden type. There are 3 main types of gardens: traditional row gardens, raised bed gardens, and container gardens. Each has its unique advantages. Traditional row gardens are great for large, sprawling plants. Raised bed gardens offer excellent drainage and soil quality control, while container gardens are perfect for those with limited space. Step 2. Understand your plants. Each vegetable has its unique needs and quirks. Some need a lot of sunlight, others prefer shade. Some have deep roots, others are shallow-rooted. Some are friendly neighbors, others compete fiercely for resources. Understanding these characteristics will help you to place each plant in the optimal location. Step 3. Sketch your plan. Draw a rough sketch of your garden and start placing your plants. Remember to consider factors such as sunlight, spacing, and compatibility. For instance, tall plants should be on the north side to avoid casting shade on shorter plants. Similarly, plants that get along well should be neighbors, while those that don't should be kept apart. Step 4. Implement rotation. Crop rotation is a time-tested technique that prevents the depletion of soil nutrients and reduces the risk of disease and pests. A simple way to implement it is to divide your garden into sections and rotate the types of vegetables you plant in each section every year. Step 5. Consider companion planting. This is a practice where certain plants are grown together for mutual benefit. For example, planting basil next to tomatoes can help to deter pests and improve the flavor of the tomatoes. Step 6. Keep refining. Garden planning is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. Keep observing your garden, note what works and what doesn't, and keep refining your plan. To summarize, planning a vegetable garden layout involves deciding on the type of garden, understanding your plants, sketching your plan, implementing rotation, considering companion planting, and continuously refining your plan. By following these steps, you can maximize your garden's yield regardless of its size. Remember, the key to a successful vegetable garden is not just hard work, but smart work. With a well-planned layout, you can make your garden more productive, more manageable, and more enjoyable. Happy gardening!